A lot of persons like me would want to learn photography, but due to some challenges, they may not be able to learn. It could be finance, it could be time, it could be distance. So I'm making that a lot easier for you to learn all these things in basic. A couple of months ago, I actually created a channel with the purpose of
Teach me.
teaching people photography, sharing my knowledge. Not like I know it all, not like I've become a guru in the industry, but I just decided, okay, it would be great if I share my little knowledge to others who are willing to learn. And that's the purpose of creating a YouTube channel.
I see.
A lot of persons like me would want to learn photography, but due to some challenges, they may not be able to learn. It could be finance,
No money.
it could be time, it could be distance. So I'm making that a lot easier for you to learn all these things in basics. And the beautiful thing about my channel or my class is that it's structured in a way that it will start from the basics, and then gradually and slowly it progresses to the advanced stage. So it's a learning process. So it's something. So if you are learning this for the first time, if you are new to photography, this is a great opportunity for you to participate in this community of learners. Photography is about exposure. Camera, photography, pictures is all about exposure. The question is, what is exposure? What does it mean in photography? What does the English dictionary say is exposure? And what does exposure mean in the industry of photography? All of this is what we're going to discuss next week. So next week I'll be discussing exposure. So you don't want to miss out from that class.
What do I have to do?
So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's DC Masterclass. Search for it and do where to subscribe so that you will not miss out in my future videos and tutorials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, DC Beauty Photographer, and also click the notification bell so that any single time I post a video, it's going to be posted every Thursdays on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Facebook every Thursdays. So if you've not followed me on this platform, subscribe to my YouTube channel DC Masterclass, and on Facebook and Instagram DC Beauty Photographer. Follow me on those platforms and click on the notification bell so that every single time I post a video on either of these platforms or all of them, you will be notified and you will also benefit from my future videos.